Good afternoon, all my dear children. Today topic is classification of living world. So, what is meant by classification? Sorting an organism based on similarities and dissimilarities. An arrangement of organism based on similarities and dissimilarities. This is known as a classification. In earlier, the classification there are generally based on biobotany, father of botany and father of zoology, as different like of classification are there, based on morphology and also the some special character. But recently, in 1969 onwards, he was scientist is called R.H. Whittaker, Robert Harding Whittaker. He proposed a 5 kingdom classification. That type of classification all over the world is followed recently. Now we will explain what is classification, what are the importance of classification, and special classification like R.H. Whittaker classification, merits and demerits. These are all area we will learn today. Before we learn system of classification, the father of botany, who was called the father of botany, I told you, the father of botany is called Theophrastus. He was classified the organism based on the nature of morphology on plant, especially herb and shrub and trees. And the another one scientist, father of zoology, the known as Aristotle. He was classified the based on organism classified as presence of blood and absence of blood in nature, so especially is called enema and anema. And the way of mode of habitat like aerial mode and terrestrial mode, and also another is called aquatic mode in nature, like flying mode and also called swimming mode and also called walking in the nature of organism. After there was greatest scientist called Swedish botanist, the name is called Carolus Linnaeus. So Carolus Linnaeus, Swedish botanist, he was classified 2 kingdom classification and also called a sexual system of classification are there. This scientist classified that 2 kingdom like Plantae and Animalia. The name of the book is explained, Species Blandarum, and another Animalia, there explained the book name is called Systema Naturae. Okay. Then next another one scientist, 3 kingdom classification as proposed by Ernest Haeckel. And there are 3 kingdom name Protista, Plantae, Animalia. Another 4 kingdom classification like Copeland. The kingdom as include Monera, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Another, there is a 5 kingdom classification, father of 5 kingdom classification in ecology and American scientist R.H. Whittaker. The full name is called Robert Harding Whittaker. There are further classified into 5 kingdom, Nema, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. These all the classification as well evolved from based on their cytology, cell biology, genetics and so much of the nature of classification. Now next what we learn 5 kingdom classification and what are the basic criteria for 5 kingdom classification and merits and demerits of 5 kingdom classification. That's all.